Legendary investor Michael Burry is best known for correctly predicting the 2008 housing crisis and making money as a result. Not only did the doctor-turned-investor predict the crisis, he also had started warning clients about a pending collapse of the mortgage market as early as 2005. Burry's story gained publicity in the Academy Award-winning film The Big Short, which demystified complex financial topics like mortgage-backed securities. He launched his hedge fund, Sion Capital, in 2000 and made a name for himself pretty quickly. Now Dr. Michael Burry hates the current market rally. Several times he's used Twitter to inform investors that the stock market crash is only just getting started. But he is not only just blowing hot air, he genuinely believes that. In fact, he sold every single stock he owned in the second quarter of 2022. You heard that right. In the second quarter of this year, the Big Short legend sold all of his stock holdings. His Sion Asset Management sold its positions in 11 US stocks, including Bristol Myers, Squibb, Alphabet, Facebook's parent company Meta Platforms, Cigna Corp, Discovery, Global Payments, and Nextstop Media Group. The asset management company previously held up to $165 million in these US stocks at the end of the first quarter of this year. Burry has also previously sliced through his portfolio. In the third quarter of last year, he reduced the portfolio's value from $140 to $42 million by cutting it from 20 holdings down to 6. He did purchase one stock though. Burry's portfolio, as of the second quarter of 2022, revealed that he'd bought a stake in just one stock, the Geo Group, Inc. Burry spent $3.3 million to purchase 501,360 shares at an average price of $6.65. His position has already grown in value by about 20% since he bought it, outperforming the market as the S&P 500 is down about 14% this year. What does the Geo Group do? The Geo Group is a business that develops, finances, and manages private detention centers and mental health facilities throughout the US, South America, Canada, and the UK. 1/4 of all prisoners in the world are housed in US facilities, making the US the nation with the highest prison population. As of 2019, there were more inmates in US prisons than there were residents of Paris, the capital of France, which had a population of 2.17 million. The Geo Group is a pioneer in evidence-based rehabilitation on a global scale. The business provides services in education, career training, cognitive behavioral therapy, and even religious services. The Continuum of Care is the name of the entire program, which offers post-release support services, as well as its other services too. Michael Burry has emphasized in previous tweets that building more prisons doesn't equal more crime. He also noted that while the prisoner-to-guard ratio in federal prisons is 10-1, it is much better in private prisons, where it is 9-1. Additionally, these private facilities frequently have better rehab characteristics. So, why is this happening? Burry has firmly committed to his argument that America is doomed. According to this logic, unemployment rates will skyrocket if the impending recession Burry is predicting is especially bad. In general, crime rates are going to rise, along with high unemployment rates. Burry's wager on Geo Group appears to be that crime will significantly increase over the course of the following year, as the American economy enters a deep recession. Politics may also play a role in that wager. Spending on private prisons increased during the administration of former US President Donald Trump. In fact, Geo stock increased by more than double in the first few months of Trump's presidency. With his purchase of Geo stock, Burry seems to be betting on both escalating crime rates and a potential red wave in the concluded midterm elections. Burry is not always correct though. As a mere mortal, he cannot always reliably predict when crashes will occur. For instance, he famously lost money when he shorted the maker of electric vehicles, Tesla. His reasoning was sound, because by comparison to other mainstream automakers, Tesla had a very high valuation in 2020. What Burry did not foresee, however, was the madness of the crowd, which resulted in a momentum-driven increase in Tesla stock by over 800% in 2020. Musk quickly completed the construction of gigafactories around the world, while Tesla was managing to turn a profit. Demand for its EVs has also remained strong. Even Musk has referred to Burry as a broken clock, who is only accurate once every 10 years. Burry's move is obviously influenced by the impending financial crisis. To be better prepared yourself, stay subscribed to our channel and watch our videos on what advice financial experts are giving. That's it, and we'll see you in the next one.